arbitrationagreements.org. Let's chat about a topic that's vital to the health and functionality of any union: the process of voting out a union president. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics for unions, which can help you keep costs low whenever problems occur. Now, in the past few years, there have been considerable shifts in labor market dynamics. A study found that in 2019, union membership in the United States stood at a mere 10.3% of the employed population, down significantly from 20.1% back in 1983. The essence of bringing up this statistic is to emphasize the critical role a union president plays in maintaining and potentially growing the membership by advocating for the rights and benefits of the members. So in case you find that the current leadership is not aligning with the values or goals of your union, you might consider the option to vote for a change in leadership. Here's a casual walkthrough of how you can go about it. First off, familiarize yourself with your union's constitution and bylaws. They outline the specific processes and procedures for electing or removing a president. Understanding these guidelines is vital as they pave the way to a structured and legitimate approach to changing leadership. Next, engage in discussions with fellow members. It's essential to foster a dialogue where members can openly share their concerns and opinions about the current leadership. Remember, this is not about harboring negativity, but nurturing a space where voices are heard and valued. Once you have gauged the general consensus, you might consider calling a meeting as per the guidelines outlined in your union's constitution. This meeting would serve as a platform to discuss the potential steps to initiate the process to vote out the current president. In this journey, ensure to gather sufficient support. Statistics suggest that organizations where leadership is supportive and inclusive tend to have a 39% higher employee satisfaction rate. If a significant number of members believe that a change in leadership can foster such a supportive environment, gathering support won't be a Herculean task. Next, present a case. It might involve nominating a new candidate who embodies the qualities and vision that resonate with the members' expectations and the union's goals. Discuss, deliberate, and collaborate to build a case that stands on the foundations of growth, harmony, and progression. Lastly, organize a vote. It's essential to conduct this in a manner that is transparent, fair, and adheres to the rules stipulated in your union's governing documents. Remember, the goal is to foster a community that stands united, where every member's well-being is a priority. A change in leadership can sometimes serve as a catalyst to rejuvenate the spirit and functionality of a union. If you want to learn more information about this process, visit arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from unions within multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Do they all make sense to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you and your union succeed.